Hey guys, it's Heath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm just going to dive right in. It's pretty straightforward from the title. I'm just going to share 5 drugstore makeup products or tools, in the drugstore that I feel you need in your life. So just diving right in, first I'm going to talk about Olay. So they came out with a new sensitive skincare line. And I have tried the face wash and these makeup remover wipes, and it is called Olay Sensitive Hungarian Water Essence Calming Makeup Remover Wipes. Of course, fragrance free. Guys, these are amazing. They take off my makeup. They're gentle on my skin. So moving on from the drugstore, and probably all of you already know this, it is the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Mine's not in the case anymore. I don't want to show it because it's disgusting. So you don't need to see that. You probably know what it looks like. It's orange. It's a little mini sponge. And it is amazing. I've never personally tried the beauty blender, the expensive $20 beauty blender, because I love this one so much. And this is literally my 20th sponge. I've been using it for years. So moving on to some of actual makeup products. My favorite drugstore palette, and it is disgusting, so I'm sorry. It is ColourPop's Fortune palette. Guys, this palette has all the color, and disgusting warning. It has all the colors I need. I can create a natural look with this, a bold smoky eye if I'm going out, which I never go out, but if I'm going out, I could make a nice smoky eyeshadow look from this palette. I just like how it has a ton of different colors that can make different looks. It has some mattes, some shimmers, so it's a perfect all you need palette. And now moving on to my last 2 favorite drugstore makeup products that literally I've been using for years, and I'm going to share my favorite one first. It's the CoverGirl Clump Crusher Mascara. Now this came out when I was still in high school, and ever since it came out, guys, I've been using it since. This literally is probably my 30th tube of this because I repurchase it 3 times a year. So I love it. It gives me nice volume, gives me some length, and never clumpy. Obviously it's a clump crusher, so let's hope it doesn't clump the lashes. And I just like it. It's only $6 to $7 depending on where I get it, and it does the job. And especially as a beauty advisor, trust me, I have tried so much high-end makeup, prestige makeup, especially working at a counter that is prestige. I have never found a mascara that works better than this $6 mascara. Now guys, my last product is my baby. I bring this baby everywhere I go, and it is Revlon's lip gloss in the shade 260 Rosy Future. I wear it in almost every single video that I have put up on my channel. It's just a nice gloss. It's not sticky. It gives me shine. It's a good color. It's just a nice, comfortable lip gloss. And again, I'm a beauty advisor in the prestige industry. I have tried a lot of different lip glosses. Trust me, none of them will compare. Some of them I like, but this will be my always go-to favorite lip gloss. When I was just sick recently, a month ago, I purchased 2 of them. One to use while I was sick and one to use when I was not sick anymore, which is this one. So guys, these are just 5 of my favorite drugstore makeup products. Please go check them out. I promise you'll love them. And please like this video if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. I post videos every single week. Thank you guys so much. Bye.